Hi viewers, let's talk about exploring the world of side hustles, creative ways to make extra money today. In today's gig economy, side hustles have become increasingly popular as people seek to supplement their income or pursue their passions outside of their main job. Here are some innovative side hustle ideas to consider. 1. Freelance services. Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer in areas such as graphic design, writing, web development, social media management, or consulting. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking their services. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering online tutoring or teaching services in subjects like academic subjects, languages, music, or coding. Platforms like Tutor.com, VIPKid, and Skillshare provide opportunities for educators to connect with students worldwide. 3. Rent out your space. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. You can rent out a spare room, guest house, or even your entire home to travelers looking for accommodations in your area. 4. Create and sell products. Turn your creative hobbies into a side business by creating and selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, artwork, jewelry, or digital downloads, platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade provide a marketplace for artisans and creators to sell their goods. 5. Delivery services. Sign up as a driver or delivery person for companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart to earn money delivering food, groceries, or packages to customers in your area. You can choose your schedule and work as much or as little as you like. 6. Rent out your car. If you have a car that sits idle for long periods, consider renting it out on platforms like Turo or GetAround. You can earn money by allowing others to rent your car when you're not using it, providing a convenient and affordable transportation option for travelers. 7. Offer home services. Provide home maintenance, cleaning, organizing, or landscaping services to homeowners in your area. You can advertise your services locally or join platforms like TaskRabbit to connect with customers seeking help with household tasks. 8. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your expertise, interests, or experiences by starting a blog or YouTube channel. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products or services. 9. Rent out your equipment. If you have specialized equipment or tools that you don't use frequently, consider renting them out to others. Websites like Fat Llama and ShareGrid allow you to rent out items like cameras, drones, power tools, and musical instruments to people in your community. 10. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys, focus groups, or market research studies to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer rewards for completing surveys and providing feedback on products and services.